The NuPhy Halo75 V2 is here and is fantastic. The handsome second-gen keyboard offers premium typing experience, tons of customization and a sleek design for just $130. It's stylish and durable with an aluminum top plate and a translucent ABS base. Choose from colors like Obsidian Black, Ionic White, Mojito, Blue Lagoon and Sakura Fizz. The Halolight 2.0 band offers stunning RGB illumination with 3-mode connectivity. Wired 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth, we can switch between devices easily and enjoy up to 370 hours of use. It's hot swappable and comes with various switches, double-shot PBT keycaps and a ghost bar space bar, plus customize it all with QMK VIA firmware. It's truly fantastic.